We're starting to get new details today about 3 people found dead inside a building on Skid Row.
LA fire officials believe all 3 deaths were due to overdoses, raising fears that a new dangerous drug may be spreading here in Southern California. Eyewitness News reporter Jaysha Patel has the latest on the investigation.
Authorities are looking into the possibility of drugs playing a part in the 3 deaths. A drug called xylazine, also known as tranq, has been raising concerns, and the LA County Department of Public Health issued a warning about it in March. A woman and 2 men were found dead inside 649 Lofts, which is a building that provides housing to people in the Skid Row area. While the exact cause of their death has not been released, the deaths have raised concerns about a drug called xylazine, also known as tranq. Tranq is not an opioid, but it's typically mixed with one like fentanyl. Narcan, which is a life-saving nasal spray, can help with opioid overdoses, but cannot reverse the effects of xylazine.
It does appear that xylazine is associated with worsening tissue infections and worsening wounds that, if untreated, can lead to medical complications like amputation. And so that's one of the risks around xylazine's presence in the drug supply, is that it can be associated not just with overdose, but also with these wound infections that can be medically complicated to address.
The 3 recent deaths on Skid Row happened by Union Rescue Mission, a nonprofit helping those on Skid Row.
2 of our guys in our program admitted to recovering from using tranq, and so apparently it is on Skid Row.
649 Lofts, where the bodies were found, is owned by Skid Row Housing Trust, which is a nonprofit housing provider that has faced scrutiny lately. Skid Row Housing Trust owns and operates 29 buildings. The city of LA noticed financial problems for the trust had resulted in poor conditions. They decided to step in last month, and they're seeking a public health and safety receivership to save the 29 buildings. The receiver would take control of the properties. The LA County Department of Public Health says they're working to get test strips for xylazine so that if people do decide to take drugs, they can test for whether it's present or absent in drugs.
Hello, I'm Mark Brown. Get more great ABC7 content by clicking the subscribe button for our YouTube channel, and download the ABC7 Los Angeles streaming app on Fire TV, Android TV, Apple TV, and Roku to watch on your TV.